Good day, everyone. We are here to discuss our selected research topic entitled The Characteristics of Information System Maintenance and Empirical Analysis.
For the introduction or background of the study, this study intends to investigate the characteristics of information systems to provide references for enterprises to help the readers have a better understanding of the various characteristics of a system in each stage of the information system's maintenance life cycle and render suggestions to improve the software maintenance.
For the Enterprise Information System, classification of enterprise information systems. In a strategic information system, this system uses the information to rapidly collect and analyze the information within and outside enterprises. The Management Information System uses a database to analyze activities and it provides materials that are needed in the past, present, and the future. Lastly, the Operating Information System assists employees in daily operations within the enterprises. For the enterprises, quality management and software maintenance. With the advancement in information technologies, various information systems have been adopted. Prior studies suggested that software maintenance is one of the major contributors to the high cost. Therefore, enterprises should make plans for software maintenance in the early stages and evaluate the decisions more carefully.
For the software maintenance management activities, the task that an enterprise adopts and conducts to maintain the information system. Enterprise designs the standard operating procedures before initiation. SOP allows field operators to use information systems by following the basic instructions and determining necessary maintenance activities. For software maintenance lifecycle, software maintenance starts from the last stage of the software lifecycle to a set of comprehensive and integral activities. Birch and Kong suggested that the software maintenance lifecycle has four stages, which are highest demand on user support, repairing occurs at the highest frequency, system functionality enhancement, and technology replacement. This activity regarding user support dominates the introduction stage of the SMLC. Repair activities dominates the growth stage, and enhancement activities dominates the maturity stage.
For the methodology, to identify the important maintenance activities for different information system classifications and different stages of SMLC. The proponents of this study use a descriptive method to gather important data needed. The respondents of this study are information technology practitioners in enterprises. The researchers also used formal survey questionnaires that were distributed and collected through emails, mails, or fax. The SPSS software analyzed the collected data. To explain the information distribution of the study, descriptive analysis, multiple choice analysis, and chi-square test were used.
Representation of findings. For the treatment of data, the researchers used a descriptive qualitative method. Only 80 valid questionnaires have been collected to the 500 survey questionnaires distributed by the researchers. The result from the chi-square test in Table 3 suggests that the significance level alpha is equal to 0.05. It states that differences exist in the distribution of software maintenance activities among four stages of SMLC for different classifications of information systems. Table 46 summarizes respondents' view about distribution of various software maintenance activities from the introduction to the declining stage. The strategic information system, management information system, and operating information system are classified from most important software maintenance activities to least important. Figures 4 to 7 focus on illustrating the tendencies of characteristics of software maintenance activities as it concentrated on where the peak distribution, large distribution, and flat distribution on the SMLC.
And for the conclusion and recommendations, the characteristics and patterns of software maintenance in various information systems are investigated in this study. The findings shows the distribution of various types of maintenance operations at the various stages of SMLC. The software maintenance trend indicated in this study can be served as a guide for organizations planning, evaluating, and executing software maintenance activities. It can be utilized for cross-industry and cross-regional comparisons, as well as longitudinal research on maintenance activity distribution shifts. Governments may consider leading the industries to develop software maintenance standards in their countries. The results can serve as a reference for industry practices and academic studies to improve software maintenance management and thus the overall software quality.
As previously noted, comparative and longitudinal research to evaluate the likely focus shift of maintenance tasks could be two useful paths for future studies. Through this study, there are more interesting topics that can be explored and considered, such as the impact of software maintenance evaluation on the decision-making process for information system investments and utilization. Furthermore, user satisfaction with the planning and execution of software maintenance activities may be another topic to investigate in order to improve software maintenance activities in the future. So that would be all for our short review about the research entitled The Characteristics of Information System Maintenance and Empirical Analysis.
I am Deciree Baniaga.
I am Carolyn Garcia.
I am
I
Rizza
am
Juguilon.
I am Hannah May Marzan.
And I am Tulalian.
And that ends our presentation. Thank you and God bless.